Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog smart collars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetFun GPS Tracker real-time tracking collar device. PetFun GPS Tracker for dogs is the most tech-savvy and reliable dog smart collar tracker you'll find in the market. It offers real-time tracking without having to pay a dime by making use of GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other long-distance wireless technologies for accurate, long-distance location tracking. This pet GPS tracker comes with a high-gain, laser carving antenna which ensures that the signal never drops. In an open space, you can pinpoint your bongo's location for up to 3.5 miles, while as in denser places, tracking up to 0.65 miles is possible. It's easily installable and is operated with the help of the PetFun app that you can download on your smartphone. You can set a safe zone for your pet, and every time your pet roams outside the safe zone, you'll be notified. Other essential features include the ability to set up multicolor lighting patterns for easy tracking in dim light, pre-recorded voice commands for easy communication with your pet, and others. Eyeing on buying the best GPS tracking dog collar? Go straight for PetFun GPS Tracker. This is our most recommended dog collar for GPS tracking because it makes use of all the long-range positioning systems to make sure that your pet always stays in the safe zone. Other than that, its high-endurance battery lasts for 8 to 16 hours and remains fully functional in wet weather conditions. These features combined can prove to be indispensable when it comes to pet safety. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PitPat 2 Dog Activity Monitor. An accurate, health-oriented activity tracking smart dog collar which can keep an account of your furry companion's daily physical activities. It has been crafted to keep track of your pet buddy's daily exercise, distance covered, calories burnt and real-time weight management. This activity tracking smart dog collar provides you with recommendations as per the dog breed you own. You can easily set and track goals, win achievement badges for each goal completed. Its minimalistic, thoughtful and waterproof design allows it to fit on any dog collar and stays usable in all weather conditions. A user-replaceable battery that can provide a backup of up to 1+ years is present. If you're looking for an economical yet feature-rich activity tracking smart dog collar, you should go for this option. Buying a pet activity tracker that provides you with personalized breed-specific recommendations can help a lot if you're looking forward to working on your pet's weight management. At number 3, we have the FitBark 2 Dog Activity Monitor. This activity tracking smart dog collar by FitBark is capable of tracking your pet's quality of sleep, distance traveled, calories burned and other fitness-related activities. Making use of a calorie counter and distance tracker, you can easily deal with your furry friend's weight management. It can be linked with a smartwatch from any major brand like Apple, Fitbit, Google, etc., allowing you to synchronize your fitness schedule with your pet's daily routine. Other than that, FitBark Health Index monitors your pet's skin conditions and mobility, whereas Sleep Score keeps your furry friend's quality of sleep in check. FitBark 2 Activity Tracking Smart Dog Collar can be harnessed on dog collars of up to 38 mm width. Its lightweight, rugged build quality, and excellent waterproofing makes it an ideal all-weather smart dog collar for activity tracking. For all-round physical development of your bongo, FitBark 2 should be the preferred choice. It is because you'll be able to keep in check your pet's physical as well as mental well-being. A genuine activity tracker with anxiety and stress monitoring functionalities is rare in the market, so it's better to cherish this offering. At number 2, we have the PetBi GPS Tracking Smart Dog Collar. It's a revolutionary GPS tracking smart dog collar equipped with NVIROX 5G technology, making it capable of covering 20 to 30% more area as compared to 3G trackers. Thus, you'll be able to pinpoint the location of your doggy all over the US. This smart dog collar offers 30-day battery life on a single full charge and can be charged back to 100% within just 2 hours. So, your pet stays guarded most of the time. Besides location tracking, it allows you to monitor your dog's daily activity and gives feeding recommendations based on that data. You can also monitor distance traveled, calories burned and active hours of your pet, thanks to its cutting-edge dog motion algorithm. If you ask us, we'd say there should be no compromise when it comes to pet safety, and PETBIZ GPS tracking dog collar offers just that. Its 5G positioning technology is far more superior than any other such technology as far as dog GPS trackers are concerned. A high-endurance battery with fast-charging technology is also a plus point, as your pet won't stay under monitoring most of the time. And finally, at number 1, we have the Whistle 3 GPS Pet Tracker. Whistle Go Explore is a smart GPS-based activity tracking smart dog collar that works on AT&T 3G cellular network. AT&T, being a nationwide cellular network of the US, makes it possible for this GPS tracking smart dog collar to pinpoint zero in on your pet's location anywhere in the States. Its proactive alerts allow you to receive text, email or app notifications whenever your bongo leaves the house. You'll be getting tailored health insights about your dog's health based on his age, breed, and weight. It's suitable for pets of weight 8 pounds or above and can be harnessed on any dog collar of up to 1 inch width. The battery life lasts for up to 7 days based on your pet's daily activities. We, as the residents of the US, would definitely want to go with this pet tracker from Whistle. It's because the United States is home turf of ET and AMP. And it's self-explanatory that you'll get the best services on this pet tracker if you're living in the US. Other than that, you can keep it on your bongo even during the swimming sessions because of its excellent waterproofing. Thus, it's a steal deal for any responsible pet owner residing in the States. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.